Welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll explore how to calculate the size of a string in bytes using JavaScript. Understanding byte size is essential when working with the data storage, file transfers, and encoding. Let's dive into how this works and implement a simple solution. The goal of this program is to calculate how much memory a given string occupies in bytes. The size in bytes depends on the encoding of characters. For example, simple ASCII characters uses 1 byte per character, while Unicode characters may use multiple bytes. Given an input string, our task is to calculate its total byte size. Let's see how we can achieve this. Here's the JavaScript code to solve the problem. We use the Blob object, which represents immutable raw data. By passing the string into new Blob string, we convert the string into binary data. The size property of the Blob object gives us the exact size of the string in bytes. This approach ensures that we account for both simple and complex characters, providing accurate byte size measurements. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of the process. We first start with the input string. We then convert the string into binary data using the Blob object. We retrieve the size of the binary data using the size property of the Blob. We then return the size as the result. This simple yet powerful approach accurately calculates the byte size of any string. Let's look at some examples. For the input 123,456, the output is 6 because each digit occupies 1 byte. For hello world, the output is 11 because each character, including the space, occupies 1 byte. For AC, the output is 4 because the Unicode characters A and C require multiple bytes. This demonstrates the program's ability to handle various types of characters and calculate their exact byte size. This program has several real-world applications. It helps determine how much storage is needed for strings in databases or files. It optimizes file transfers by estimating the size of the data being transmitted. It ensures encoding validation by checking string sizes in various formats like UTF-8 or UTF-16. It assists in performance optimization by managing memory usage more effectively. These use cases highlight the importance of understanding byte sizes in programming and data management. In summary, we have learned how to calculate the byte size of a given string using JavaScript. The Blob object and its size property make it easy to handle both simple ASCII and complex Unicode characters. This program is a valuable tool for anyone working with data storage, file processing, or memory optimization. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.